Good afternoon. I am Professor today. Today we will discussing about how to calculate the quantity of load bearing structure. So we are first plan this diagram, draw this diagram. This is first room, 5 by 4 meter. Second is section of this building. This is the ground level and the depth of excavation is 1 meter. The width of the foundation is also 1 meter. This is PCC. This is the plinth level. This is 60.6 meter and this is the height of bottom of slab 3.2 meter. So we have to solve this numerical by long wall and short wall method. So for long wall short wall method, first step is calculate the center line of each wall. So again this diagram is the plan. The room dimension is 5 by 3 meter. So the center line of this long wall, there is no fix which is long wall and which is short wall. Those dimensions are long is known as long wall and those dimensions are short known as short wall. So for center line, the wall thickness is 0.3 meter in superstructure. So in that case the center line is 5 plus 0.15 plus 0.15. That is 5.3 meter center to center. 0.15 means this is the wall thickness. That's why we are taking 0.15 here and 0.15 here. Same thing in short wall. 3 plus 0.15 plus 0.15. So this becomes 3.3 meter center to center. So first step when you are calculating the quantity of earthwork, you should always calculate the center line of long wall as well as short wall. Now second step is that you should calculate, draw the step 2 is foundation plan. This is foundation plan. The foundation plan, this is the width of foundation is 1 meter. So in that case this is 1 meter and in horizontal there is 1 meter. So the center line is same, you have to plot here, that is 5.3 meter center to center, and this center line from this to this for short wall method, that is 3.3 meter center to center. Now when this diagram is we are plotting and find out the foundation plan, then this quantity has been tabulated in this little pro forma sheet. So this is detailed pro forma sheet. This is, that is serial number 1, serial number, item, number, length, width, depth and height, quantity and total quantity. Now we will start the find out the quantities. Number 1, excavation. Before writing excavation, you should write the specification. You should write this specification. Excavation all types of soil, including dewatering, consolidating, late lift, etc. complete. So for long wall is this. So long wall is 2, 1 and 2. So number is 2. Our center line is 5.3 plus half the width, means this half the width 0.5 plus 0.5, that means 6.3 meter. The total length of this long wall is 6.3 meter. So width of the foundation is 1 meter and depth of the foundation which is given in the section, that is 1 meter. So multiplied by this 6.3 into 1 into 2 into 1, that is 12.6 meter cube. So the long wall of this particular diagram, the quantities for long wall is 12.6 meter cube excavation. Now for short wall, you should take two walls, 1 and 2. The center line is 3.3 minus, because the area is already covered in this long wall. If you see that the diagram, our center line is up to this, so that's why we are deducting this quantity, this measurement from this side and on this side. So minus 0.5, minus 0.5. So 1 minus 3.3, that is 2.3 meter. So number is 2.3. The width of foundation is 1 meter and depth of foundation is 1 meter. So by multiplying this, both of short wall, 2 into 2.3 into 1